Today I'm in Iceland. This is part 2 of the interviews I'm doing here, and we have a Saab 900 Aero behind me, and I'm going to be interviewing the owner to find out why he drives it, what he's done to modify this car, and of course find out a little bit more about the car culture here in Iceland. Let's go. So right here is the owner, and you are the one I've been talking to the most in Iceland about the car culture here. You want to introduce yourself and your car?
Yes, hi, my name is Kristinn. I'm from this city, Reykjavik. This is my Saab 900 Turbo from 1983.
So how did you get this car? Are there many of them here? Did you import it?
Well, actually, my father is the president of the Saab club in Iceland.
Oh, wow.
He bought this car back in 2003 when it was red and rusty, and he fixed it so that it could drive, and he sold it to his friend.
Wow.
His friend made it almost look like it does now. Back in 2007, I think, and it was used for my parents' wedding.
Wow.
He owned it until 2015 when he sold it, and the guy who bought it, he drove it for I think 1 and 2 years. Then in 2018 he contacted me, asked if I wanted to buy it because it was just sitting in a barn and it wasn't running and not steering. The steering rack was broken.
Wow.
So I went with my father, put on a trailer, drove it back here to the garage, and we fixed it. And yeah.
Wow. So this is your car that you've restored again after your father restored it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And the modifications on it, what has been done, or what have you done to the car?
So the brake system has been updated to the later version, so it fits later model wheels.
Okay.
As this is the flat nose, not the slant nose. The flat nose had the e-brake on the front, but this has been updated to e-brake on the rear.
Oh, okay.
The car was painted in this Mitsubishi Outlander color. It's black with spoilers gray.
Mm-hmm.
I put these wheels on it because they are my favorite.
Yeah.
From this 3-spoke Saab wheels.
Yeah. I see right here, it also has the wheels kind of almost in our logo
Yes.
on the door. That's
Yes.
really cool touch.
Yes. What I've done is I've put this grille from 79, as I prefer that one. And yeah, I put this big spoiler on the back. This one, which I found in Holland, the Netherlands.
Wow.
This one I also found in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
These parts are rare, hard to find.
Yeah. And I can imagine there's not many of these in Iceland. Do you know how many are here?
Well, me and my father, we have 3 of these 900 turbos.
Uh-huh.
I think maybe 10
In the country.
in the country, like this 3-door turbo,
Okay, yeah.
and maybe 2 or 3 of them are running
Wow.
and driving.
And are those the 2 or 3 that you have?
No, I only have 1.
But your dad, so they run and drive as well?
One of them, yeah, but it's not. It's just sitting in the garage,
Okay.
not driving.
So what's the reason that a lot of these don't run anymore? Is it just they're old? Is it hard to get parts?
No, it's mainly because they're old and they tend to rust under the front wishbones.
Mm.
There they rust, and in the fenders before.
Okay. Yeah. Well, can we pop the hood and check out the engine on this one?
Sure.
I love how on this car, the hood opens sort of like an old BMW. It's like reverse style or an old Rolls Royce. So you pull it up here and then it flips up this way. We'll see how he does it. Look, watch this. That is so cool. I just love that feature. So what engine is this?
This is the B202. It's a 16-valve 2-liter
Okay.
with a turbo and the 5-speed manual transmission, which
Wow.
I'm soon changing out for a 4-speed
Why is that?
because it's stronger, it's shorter. Yeah.
Okay. So how much horsepower does this make right now?
It depends on its mood. If everything is working, I don't know, maybe around 230 horsepower.
Okay.
which is plenty for this car. I think it's weighing around 1,200 kilos.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And is this car all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive?
Front wheel drive.
Front wheel.
Yeah. So the axle is here.
Yeah.
And the engine is almost in front of it.
Wow, that's incredible. So have you added sort of some upgraded piping in here and stuff?
No, my friend did that when he owned the car. So he upgraded the turbo and the intercooler system and the exhaust, the downpipe, everything is bigger. What I did was just renovate the engine and the gearbox when I got it, and put the spoiler and make it look sexy.
Yeah, and I see you've got the Saab Turbo Club of Sweden.
Yeah.
Was this car originally in the club in Sweden? You just kept this on?
No, I lived in Sweden for around 1 year, where I bought my 9000, and then I was a member of the club. No, but this car is originally from Keflavik, the airport.
Okay.
So a guy from the US who was there in the army, because in Iceland we had the army from the US living at the airport.
Okay.
He bought this car new.
Wow.
So it was originally a US import.
Oh, so he bought it new in the USA and then brought it to Iceland?
Or some sort of. He bought it as a US car.
Okay.
But it was imported to Iceland right away.
And then he left it here?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. That's a pretty cool story on this car. Well, do you mind if we go for a ride in it and see what it's like? I've never been in a Saab before.
Really?
No, never. So this will be my first time. And before we do go, I want to show the seats. You upgraded these, right?
Yeah, the former owner upgraded these.
Yeah, nice.
He liked to have his semi bucket seats.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go for a ride in it and see what it's like to drive. Sounds pretty cool. I've never been in a Saab, so we're gonna see what this is like. Whoa. I like the smell. It smells good. Now, you told me earlier I got the wrong in the intro. What's the name of this? It's not a 900 turbo?
It's a 900 turbo, yeah.
Oh, it is a 900 turbo.
Yeah, it's not an aero.
Okay, and I called it an aero, right?
Yeah.
So I got it a little bit wrong, but it's close.
Yeah, it's close. It has the aero wheels and...
It's my gut instinct just telling me.
Yeah.
Wow, so you drive this car almost every day, you said?
In the summertime, I drive it every day, yes.
Wow, and what's it like driving a car like this around in Iceland? Do people give you a thumbs up? Do they love it? Do they wave?
A lot of people look at it and give a thumbs up, but it's also hard because it's low and stiff, and we have a lot of speed bumps. And
yeah, I noticed that when we were driving around this week. And some of the roads are obviously like gravel and stuff. Yes. If you go out of the city.
Yes, and the roads are not that well maintained, so we get a lot of these
ruts.
Yeah.
Yeah. It reminds me a lot of Canada, actually, where I live. Like the year, that you can drive is May to September, like Canada. And also the roads, the weather. I feel like I'm just in Calgary. There's a lot of traffic in this city for a small population.
Yes. There are too many cars in Iceland.
Wow. Oh, it sounds so good. I love the sound of this thing. Do you have a custom exhaust on it?
Yeah, it's got a 3-inch downpipe and exhaust all the way back.
Okay.
Custom made.
Wow.
And because it's front wheel drive, it only does wheel spins in the in the wet.
I felt that. That was pretty cool. This thing is awesome, man. When I was trying to find cars in Iceland to interview, you were the only one that I could find. Really, the only one. So I was really glad that you actually agreed to meet up and do this interview.
Yeah, no problem.
I appreciate it. So when you get parts for this car, do you have to get them overseas or any in Iceland?
If I
buy parts, do you have to buy them from like Germany or Sweden, Holland?
Yeah, the Netherlands and Sweden mainly. sometimes Great Britain.
Okay.
But yeah, there's nothing that is manufactured here. But I have plenty of spare parts in my garage.
Yeah. I bet you stock up on supplies.
Yeah.
I can relate to that definitely with my Mercedes. Wow. So when you're looking to buy one of these, are there anything someone should look out for?
The rust and the wheel arches. If it can take the gears well.
Yeah.
Like the third and the reverse gear.
Okay.
Those are the main gears that tend to break in these cars.
So transmissions can go out.
Yeah.
Yeah. But other than that, are they reliable?
Yeah, I would say so.
And what's kind of like the price range maybe someone should look for to pay for one of these nowadays?
Right under 10,000, I think. Then you have a nice car.
Yeah.
But if you want an excellent car, you would need to pay up from 15, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. What's your favorite part about the car?
Just driving it. I don't know. It's just how it looks. I mean, it's everything about it really. It's like driving this kind of go-kart because it's low and stiff and
Yeah.
and like you can feel everything
Yeah.
in this car. Driving it, like. You feel everything. There's nothing that
You don't
not
feel.
go through your mind.
Yeah. Well, this has been awesome. I appreciate you so much taking the time to do a video with
Yeah,
me.
thank you.
And it's been awesome to come to Iceland and interview a few local enthusiasts. And your buddy, thank you for arranging the Z3.
No problem.
I appreciate that. If people want to follow you, they go find you at Kiddi Aero, right, on Instagram?
Yeah.
And go give him a like. He's got some other Saabs too, quite a few actually. Quite a few Saabs. In the meantime, if you want to be in a wire drive, the link is in the description. You can apply down below. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. And remember, God loves you. Never ever quit.